Okay, this Toyota RAV4 is continuously giving me maintenance, and that is sometimes very tedious and hectic. So I'd like to show you how to turn the maintenance alert off. So before we do that, we need to turn on the car in ignition mode, not in the drive mode. Okay, so in this Toyota RAV4 2020 edition, and I guess starting from 2019 to 2024, all model has the same mechanism and functionalities. So first, we will hit the push start once without pressing the brake pedal. If you see, it shows accessories. Now we are going to hit one more time, and then it shows ignition right here in the left corner. Then basically we are going to use these arrow keys and the return button in a sequence. First of all, if you can see, the entire menu option is being blocked by this maintenance required by the dealer, and press brake pedal with those alerts. Those are interchanging messages, but the main problem here is that the maintenance required alert. So for that, first it shows here I will need to hit the return button, which is here, and then I need to go to that exact option from where this alert is being initiated. So with this arrow key, I'll keep going. Okay, with this arrow key, I'll keep going. And here, the settings. I'll scroll down with the down arrow. And if you guys notice, this is exactly where it shows vehicle settings. I will have to press and hold there. And if you notice there, schedule maintenance. Reset data. Yes, reset complete. Okay, let's have a test. Let me completely turn off my car. And now let me start with the brake pedal. Like not ignition, but fully drive mode. Okay, boom, it's gone. I don't have that error. Thank you for watching.